Hi everybody, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through how to install and set up your Capsule CRM Action Automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentations, and under the tutorial, you're going to have access to the Smart Queue video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. You equally have the configuration walkthrough video that is going to help you on how to set up the app. We have the setup. At the level of the setup, we notice that our app has already been connected. But if your app haven't yet been connected, no worries. We're going to walk you through on how to connect your app. In order to connect or set up the app, you're simply going to click on Start Setup, and then you're going to enter the email in which you use in creating your Capsule CRM account online. So you're simply going to paste the email here, enter your email here, and then you click on Complete Setup. Then your app has successfully been set up. We equally have the Support Center. At the level of the Support Center, you can actually create a ticket for our support team, or you book a call with our support team. We have the Changelog. At the level of the Changelog, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the updates of the app. And in order to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.